Let's do the antiderivative here of 1 plus the root of x quantity raised to the 8th dx. What you don't want to do is expand this by raising to the 8th. It's going to give you a really ugly expression. So instead, just set u equal to 1 plus the root of x. Differentiate. So du will be equal to. Derivative of 1 is 0, and derivative of this one, perhaps you remember, would be 1 over 2 root x, and then you put the dx in here. Okay, so now you make a substitution, so antiderivative. So u raised to the 8th. Now we need to solve this for dx, right? Because dx is over here. It's the differential element right here. So it's going to be 2 times the root of x du equals dx. Now notice this has the root x present here. That's not good. But go back to here and take a look. You can write u minus 1 equals the root of x. Right here. It's the same root of x. So what you can do is make a replacement. 2 times u minus 1 du equals dx. Now go back over here. I remember that this whole thing now, dx, is this 2 times the u minus 1 times the du. So replace it in the integral. You're going to have 2 times u minus 1 du. Notice that now this is a u, this is a u, and what? This is a u. Everything is a u now. That's good. Okay, so the 2's constant go out. So 2 antiderivative of u to the 8th multiplying u minus 1 du. Distribute. So 2 antiderivative of u to the 9th u to the 8th du equals 2. Antidifferentiate by the power rule. So u to the 9th plus 1 over 9 plus 1. And then let's see, minus u to the 8th plus 1 over 8 plus 1. And then plus c. So 2. Now this is going to be u to the 10th over 10 minus u raised to the 9th over 9 and then plus c. But remember that u was defined as 1 plus the root of x. Right, so you get it right over here. 2 times, I'm distributing the 2, so it's going to be 2/10. It's going to be here 1 plus the root of x quantity raised to the 10th minus 1 plus the root of x raised to the 9th over 9 and then plus c. So 1/5, 1 plus the root of x raised to the 10th minus 2 9ths over here. I forgot to distribute the 2 over here. So 2 9ths, okay, 1 plus the root of x raised to the 9th plus c. Question for you, leave it in the comments. The right answer as a product. Can you do it?